Can you imagine the inside-out two characters as birds? Let's find out how they would look. Disgust. Cranes, with their elegant posture and graceful movements, represent the refined and selective nature of disgust. Anxiety. Sparrows, always restless and in constant motion, capture the essence of anxiety, who never finds peace. Embarrassment. Hoopoe, with its distinctive crest, may seem extravagant, but when threatened, it prefers to avoid conflict, which reflects embarrassment's reserved nature. Joy. Lorikeets are colorful and playful birds, always full of energy and joy, which perfectly reflects the vibrant personality of joy. Anger. Roosters are known for their strong and loud temperament, always ready to defend their territory, just like anger's explosive personality. Envy. Hummingbirds are small, fast, and eye-catching with their colorful plumage, reflecting envy's desire to be noticed. Sadness. Seagulls, often seen flying alone over the sea, convey a sense of loneliness and melancholy, which matches sadness. Ennui. Ravens, with their solitary behavior and enigmatic aura, reflect the introspective and melancholic nature of ennui. Fear. Titmice are small and always on alert, quickly reacting to any threat, just like fear. Nostalgia. Storks, with their long flights and associations with returning home, symbolize nostalgia's emotional connection to the past.
Which bird caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun transformations.